This video shows how to replace a cartridge in your HP DeskJet printer. To begin, turn the printer on by pressing the power button. Next, align a stack of paper by tapping it on a flat surface. Load paper into the input tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guide inward until it stops at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guide in so tightly that it starts to bend the paper. Open the cartridge access door. The carriage will move into the access area. Allow the carriage to stop moving. Then, find the cartridge you want to replace and press down on the top of the cartridge to release it. Pull the cartridge out to remove it from the slot and set it aside. Now, take the new cartridge out of its package. Pull the tab from the new cartridge to remove the tape. It is very important that you use the pull tab to remove the tape. When handling the cartridge, be aware of the electrical contacts and ink nozzles. Be careful not to touch the contacts or nozzles, because touching these can cause clogs, ink failure, and poor electrical connections. Make sure you install the replacement cartridge in its correct slot, tricolor on the left and black on the right. Hold the cartridge with the ink nozzles toward the printer and slide it directly into the open slot. Push the cartridge in until it latches into place. When the cartridge is installed, close the cartridge access door. The printer will automatically print an alignment page. Once the alignment page prints, lift the scanner lid. Use the engraved guide next to the scanner glass to properly place the alignment page with the print side down on the right front corner of the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. Press the Start Copy Black button or the Start Copy Color button on the printer's control panel. The printer aligns the cartridges. The printer is now ready for regular